What is a dermatologist exactly?
Well, a dermatologist is a physician who is specifically trained to treat all things to do with the skin. They treat the obvious things, warts, acne, rashes, but they also are trained to recognize skin manifestations of systemic diseases. Things like internal cancer, internal diseases, diabetes, things like that have skin manifestations. Okay. So sometimes people come with problems on their skin, and we can recognize that that's a sign of something more troublesome internally.
What are some simple ways to take care of your skin before coming into the dermatologist's office?
A person should moisturize their skin on a regular basis. They should avoid harsh soaps, harsh detergents, things like that. But really the sun. The sun not only can lead to skin cancer, but it can lead to premature aging. Brown spots, wrinkles, sagging skin. All of that is due to sun damage, ultraviolet damage, and so that protection is essential.
How often should someone see the dermatologist?
If you're over 50 years old, we recommend that you be seen annually, every year. If a person has a family history of skin cancer, if somebody in your family has had melanoma or other types of skin cancer, you should be seen on an annual basis. If you have over 100 moles on your body, you should also be seen on an annual basis. All those things increase your risk of skin cancer. If you're a young person with none of those risk factors, being seen every 2 to 5 years is fine.
How do you make sure your patients are comfortable when they come into the dermatologist's office?
Well, for me, the most important thing is that people don't feel pain. I'm a Mohs micrographic surgeon and a dermatologic surgeon, and one of the biggest criteria that people use for quality is whether they were in pain. So the first thing we do is we make sure the anesthesia is adequate. We do everything very carefully. Apart from that, we treat people with respect. Our technicians and medical assistants are excellent with our patients, very kind. We're really treat people with TLC here.
Great. This has been Ask a Local Expert with St. George News.